Today we're going to be talking about how to earn free Bitcoin every 7 minutes. Watch this video until the end and you'll get the most out of it so you can start earning Bitcoin. Number 1. Setting up a Bitcoin wallet. Bitcoin has to be stored somewhere. Simple as that, just like actual currencies. This is where wallets from Bitcoin come into play. You can store your crypto earnings securely with a Bitcoin wallet, and most of these are actually free to set up. So, what is a Bitcoin wallet? A Bitcoin wallet is a software program in which Bitcoins are stored. Technically, Bitcoins are not stored anywhere. For every individual who has a balance in a Bitcoin wallet, there is a private key, or secret number, corresponding to the Bitcoin address of that wallet. Bitcoin wallets facilitate the sending and receiving of Bitcoins and give ownership of the Bitcoin balance to the user. The Bitcoin wallet comes in many forms. The 4 main types are desktop, mobile, web, and hardware. Keeping your Bitcoin wallet safe is essential, as Bitcoin wallets are high-value targets for hackers. Some safeguards include encrypting the wallet with a strong password and choosing a cold storage option. That is, storing Bitcoins offline. You can find great websites like Coinbase and Blockchain for free Bitcoin wallets. You can also visit the Bitcoin website and fill out a survey where you can find an online wallet that's best for you. Once you find one that's suitable, you can then sign up for that website, enter in the credentials it requires from you, and then you should be all set. Normally, these websites will allow you to invest and trade, but for these purposes, you won't actually need to spend a single penny in order to get into the Bitcoin game. So once you've set up your online Bitcoin wallet, it's time to move on to the next step. Number 2. The Cointiply website. So now you've got your Bitcoin wallet, it's time to get all the cryptocurrency, and right now. It can be an enjoyable journey, but in order to do it correctly and optimize your earnings, you will need to make sure that you pay careful attention to all of these moves. So let's get to it. The first website you need to visit is called Cointiply. Head on over there and check out their homepage. You can see that the website's paid over $700,000 in Bitcoin to its users so far. So now it is your turn to join in on the fun. If you would like to explore their homepage a bit more, you can see that they explain their process in more depth. How does it work? Well, you need to sign up and then complete a few small tasks, watch some videos, do surveys, and other small things. And then you can earn some Bitcoin. You can also see that the website's got other features like a loyalty bonus. And with this loyalty bonus, you can boost your earnings just by logging into the website every day. They can rise it up to 100%, so you can double your earnings. They also have fast payments, so you won't need to wait too long to get your rewards. This is a great feature because many other similar websites will make you wait until the end of the month in order to get your hard-earned payment. So you can also check out their referral program, which will pay you 25% just for referring a friend and having them join the website. This is huge. With all of these features, you can really boost what you've already made, and you can even earn way more. To start earning, you really need to enter in your email address into the box. Make sure that you enter in a valid email address or else it won't work. Once you've done that, click on the Start Earning Now button, and the great thing is that this website has an app. You can try download it onto any device that you like, and then you can start earning Bitcoin. Try it out, and then move on to the next great website. Number 3. The Feature Points website. Here's another cool way to carry a lot of Bitcoin in your Bitcoin wallet. Go to check it out on the Feature Points website. You're going to see right away that this program is available for all users of iOS and Android. So whichever OS you're using, you're going to be able to earn Bitcoin in the most simplest ways possible. Scrolling down on their website, you can see what you're going to be doing with this. Much like the other websites, you'll be completing surveys and other small tasks in order to earn rewards, which can then in turn be cashed out into Bitcoin and go straight into your online Bitcoin wallet. This website's got its own unique feature though. If you take a look at the homepage, you can see that their sponsors like Gap, Walmart, GameStop, Sephora, Macy's, and other shops on their list will actually give you cashback through their application. This works because stores pay feature points for directing customers to their stores, and they share that commission with you. You can earn hundreds of dollars from the program. Looking at the tasks, you can see that they're very simple. The app will ask you to just automatically download certain free apps onto your mobile device, and you earn rewards with that. You need to hit a certain amount of points before you can redeem them, but once you hit that, you can then withdraw in many different ways. You can cash out through PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, or the reason why you're watching this video, through Bitcoin. That's right, you can earn Bitcoin with this app just by doing the simplest of tasks. No hard work needed. Since Bitcoin is at a high point right now, it's a good idea to start using apps like this to mine them. Additionally, this app's got a huge referral program. If you want up to 50% of what they get, well, you can earn that for life. It's an amazing way to boost what you're already earning, and if you refer as many friends as you can, this is an automatic passive income. Check out this application's rating. It's 4.5 out of 5 stars in the App Store, so they're highly trusted and loved by many of its users. You can check out the App Stores and the Google Play Store to see the full reviews for yourself. Of course, your results are determined by how much time you invest into the app, so if you take it seriously, you'll be able to make some serious Bitcoin. Try it out because it's totally free, and now let's look at another website. Number 4. The Timebox website. Here's another amazing place that in no time will get you collecting Bitcoin. This one is Timebox by name. Scan and click on their website to find out. You'll be led to their homepage, and from there you can see what they're all about. Unlike the other websites, this one is not available as a mobile app. Instead, it's simply a website that you can visit. You'll just need to connect it onto your computer, and that might seem like a drawback, but once you see all the different jobs that you can do in order to earn, you'll see why this website is worth it. You can also complete surveys, try out some sweepstakes, and check out different types of content and much more. This website may even seem like fun to you. What you will need to do is create your own account on this website and then look at the top tab on the page and click on the Earn button. This will display other subsections that you can then click on in order to start earning through this site. You can discover for yourself which method and tasks work best for you. When the time comes for you to withdraw your money, go on over to the settings button and click on that. Then choose a payment method. You'll see a drop-down menu with a few options that you can select from. As you can see, there are many payment options, but for today's purposes, just select Bitcoin. It will then ask you to input your Bitcoin wallet address. Head on over to your online Bitcoin wallet and look for your Bitcoin wallet address. That should look like a bunch of random numbers and letters in both upper and lower cases. Copy that and paste it into the Timebox website's box. Once you've done that, click on Update Payment Method, and that's it. Another great way to earn. Let's take a look at yet another great website. Number 5. The Latium website. Can you use another website to lift your Bitcoin earnings? Yes, and we've got you covered for that. Head on over to Latium and you can see how to get some free Bitcoin. When you get to the website, you might be a bit confused as it's actually a freelancing website, but we're going to be looking at how to use this website without needing any certain skills. This one's a bit different to other freelancing sites because it pays you in Bitcoin. Here's what you have to do. Go to the How It Works section and select the Work as a Freelancer button. You'll then be led to a page where you can see a long list of available projects. There's many payment methods, and Bitcoin is one of them. Just use the filters to narrow down the projects to payment by Bitcoin. You can then try to do a task if you have the skill for it, but if you don't have any of these skills, just go on over to the survey section. You can see that there are many different surveys that you can fill out and earn Bitcoin from. That's it, and it's simple. Simply try out this method and watch your earnings skyrocket. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these videos on your screen. See you there.